morning, children. In this chapter, tens and hundreds. Today, we are going to learn equivalent decimals. Children, we learned equivalent fractions. I hope you remember them, where I had divided same kind of chocolates into different equal parts and explained it to you how equivalent fractions can be made and what are equivalent fractions. Today again I have drawn two figures with the help of which I am going to explain equivalent decimals, and those figures are this. In this, these are two exactly same figures. And you can see here also we have one red strip and here also we have one red strip. Here also we have 4 blue strips. In this figure also we have 4 blue strips. But there is slight difference in these two figures. And that I will explain to you once I focus them closely. Right? Come, let's do that. Look at these two squares. All the lengths are 10 centimeter each. This square I have divided into 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this square I have divided into 100 equal parts. Means there are 10 columns and 10 rows. So 10 tens are 100. There are 100 equal parts in this square. Now look at the blue parts in this square. There are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 blue parts out of the 10 equal parts. So the fraction for the blue parts is 4 upon 10, and the decimal equivalent is 0.4. In this figure, the blue parts are 40, 10, 20, 30 and 40. There are 40 blue parts out of the 100 equal parts. So the fraction for blue parts is 40 upon 100, and the decimal equivalent is 0.40. Now children, when you look at these two figures, you can make out that the amount of blue in this figure is exactly equal to the amount of blue portion in this figure. So 0.4 or 0.4 is equivalent to 0.40. Similarly, look at the red strip in this figure. We have only one red strip out of 10 equal strips. So the fraction for the red strip is 1 out of 10. And the decimal equivalent is 0.1. In this figure, there are 10 equal boxes of red out of the 100 parts. So the fraction for red is 10 upon 100, and the decimal equivalent is 0.10. So children, this red and this red, the amount is same. So 0.1 is equal to 0.10. Now look at the yellow strips. Here we have 3 yellow strips out of 10 equal strips. So the fraction for yellow strips is 3 upon 10, and the decimal equivalent is 0.3. Here there are 30 boxes of yellow out of the 100 equal boxes. So the fraction for yellow portion is 30 upon 100 and its decimal equivalent is 0.30. Since the amount of yellow portion is same in both the figures, so 0.3 is equal to 0.30. They both are equivalent decimals. And same is the case for green. Here we have two strips out of 10 equal strips. We have two strips of green. So the fraction for green is 2 upon 10 and the decimal equivalent is 0.2. Here we have 20 boxes of green out of the 100 equal boxes. So for the fraction for green is 20 upon 100 and the decimal equivalent is 0.20. Now since the green portion in both the squares is the same, so 0.2 is equal to 0.20. They are equivalent decimals. I will explain this further to you in a while. Equivalent decimals. Now, first of all, let us see the equivalent fractions. 4 upon 10. Now, if we multiply the numerator and the denominator by 10, we will get an equivalent fraction of 4 upon 10. Let us do 4 multiplied by 10 will give us 40 and 10 multiplied by 10 will give us 100. So 4 upon 10 and 40 upon 100 represent the same amount or the same quantity. Now let us change 4 upon 10 into its decimal equivalent. That would be 0.4. And decimal equivalent of 40 upon 100 would be 0.40. Now, since 4 upon 10 and 40 upon 100 are equivalent fractions, so 0.4 and 0.40 are equivalent decimals. Similarly, if we see a fraction 5 upon 10, if we multiply the numerator and denominator by 10, we get an equivalent fraction 50 upon 100. Now, the decimal equivalent of 50 upon 100 is 0.50 and the decimal equivalent of 5 upon 10 is 0.5. So, since 5 upon 10 and 50 upon 100 are equivalent fractions, so 0.5 is also equal to 0.50. They are equivalent decimals. Same way, children, if we have a fraction 9 upon 10 and we multiply the numerator and denominator by 10, we will get an equivalent fraction 90 upon 100. Now the decimal equivalent of 90 upon 100 is 0.90, and the decimal equivalent of 9 upon 10 is 0.9. So children, 0.9 is equal to 0.90. Hope children you would have understood what are equivalent decimals and what is the logic behind them. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.